the 2020 BMW X5. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3-liter 6-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a power rear cargo door, and more. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. The unique heads-up display projects vehicle information onto the windshield, including speed, gear selection, and engine speed. Drivers benefit by not having to take their eyes off the road. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, a 20 gigabyte hard drive, and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.